Hey YouTube family, it's your girl Raquel, and I'm back y'all with another video. How y'all doing? Yeah, I got my BoxyCharm premium box. I actually got it yesterday, y'all. I was really excited and I wanted to go ahead and get it up. So yeah, but before we open that box, let me show y'all this box. Let me show it to you really quick. I got this from Rose Forever. Can y'all see that? This is a beautiful velvet box. And let me show y'all what's in this box. Oh, this is so cute. And I got it like the day before Mother's Day. Rose Forever sent this over, y'all. They sent this over. And let me show y'all what's in here. Look at that. Those are real roses. They smell like fresh roses. And they last for up to a year. They even feel like real roses. I don't know how they last for a year, but I'm gonna set this up on my I'll probably put it on the fireplace mantle, and let's say every month we're gonna take a peep at these roses and see if they still looking like they looking for the next 12 months. Okay, Forever Rose, y'all. I'll put a link in the description below if y'all interested. Oh, they smell so good. Okay. Alright, let's get into what y'all here for. Let's get into it. BoxyCharm Premium. I don't remember if I got a chance to choose any of my items this month. I don't remember. And every time I do get the notification for BoxyCharm choice, and by the time I get to it, everything I wanted is already chosen. So that's neither here nor there. Let's see what this BoxyCharm Flourish. That's what it looks like. BoxyCharm Flourish. And let's see what we got in this month's premium. It is premium. I have to see because you don't never know what these boxes, which one is which with the sizes no more. Cause shoot, girl. Okay, the first thing I see, I had to pick it up because I'm looking at it. LaRouche. These gotta be brushes because we received some brushes in a little thing like this before. Let me see what it says. Yeah, LaRouche Beauty on the Go set. It says it's $96. Let's see what's in this little envelope. Yeah, these look just like the brushes that we got before. I wish I could put my hands on them. These look just like the brushes. We got these. I'm not going to say it's this exact set. Look like you get an eye brush. What is this? A kabuki brush. A highlighter brush. And an eye brush. I think it was a different set. But I remember these handles. They're just not in reach. But I do remember getting a different set like this because I like the kind of rubber feeling handles. So yeah. Let's see how much was these brushes. It says these brushes was, did I say $98? Nah, bro. No. Or nah, sis. Your girl, I'm thankful that it came in this box because that would be the only way that I would get them. The next thing I see here is Dragon's Blood Eye Mask. Let me find that on here, y'all. See, I need to be bringing my readers in here with me when I come in here. Girl, who is this by? Oh, there it is. These innovative eye mask combine. You know what? I'm gonna go get my readers. Hold on. Okay, I'll be right. I refuse to struggle through this. Okay, so we're gonna, I'm gonna do the right thing. Y'all just went and got some glasses made with my little readers in there. So anyway, let's just get on by this. Now this is the these innovative eye masks combine biocellular technology with dragon blood complex to intensify, hydrate the delicate eye area with an immediate depuff effect. The cooling effects leave the skin feeling refreshed, while an Areca extract helps reduce the appearance of bags and puffiness. Okay, these are $18. $18. Let's see what this looks like. Get one of them out. Okay, I ain't gonna open it because I don't want to waste it, but I'm sure gonna use it. I don't really have puffiness. I need something for these little folds up under my eye. But I'm gonna use them and see what they do. I'm gonna see what they do. How much was they again? $18. Okay, that's not too of a ridiculous price. The next thing I see here is Melted Chocolate by Too Faced. Really? Back with the glasses, y'all. It is what it is. You'll get her one day if you're not already. Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow by Too Faced. It says it's $21. It's an innovative whipped liquid eyeshadow formula. Delivers rich, intense, chocolate-sensitive matte color and skin-sensitive cocoa. Let's see. Can you do more than put this on your eyes? That can be worn alone for an airbrush finish or as a pigment primer that locks down 24 hours. Okay, it's just for your eyes. So you can use it as a lip color or as an eye primer. Oh, that's cute. I mean a lid color. If I said lip, I didn't mean to say it. It's a lid color. What shade is this? Tiramisumi? What? Tiramisumi. What that say? Can y'all see that? Cause girl, these names. Tiramisumi. That's what it says. And I don't know about this color being no eye color. It might be cute. I don't know by itself. Could just be a light lid color with a say a bronzer. I'm gonna try it. If it dry down, I'm gonna leave that there and put some more and just leave it there. We'll look back at it by the time we get to the end of this video, okay? But I like the packaging. That's really cute. Really cute. $21. We'll have to see how good you are, because you know that's you can get one of them Too Faced little tiny shots for $25. That's a lot for one little liquid shadow. It's got to be really good. Okay, the next thing I have here, I don't know what that is. Kid Serum kind Black Blossom Hand Serum, a hand cream perfect for the intensive care of skin barrier, infused with healing effects of Black Blossom Serum. It says it's $27. I've never heard of this brand. And it's in like a toothpaste, the old-fashioned toothpaste, those in those little metal things. And my hands always ashy, so we're gonna put some of this on. Gotta poke it. Always ashy-handed. Okay, looks like a cream. See what they can do for these rough, dry hands. I ain't gonna put it on the back of this one because we're watching that shadow to see what it turned into. Oh, I like that. Oh, it smells like roses. It smells exactly like those roses. And it's not oily. So I like that. Okay, I like that. How much was that? I'm gonna have to check that out. I really like that. 27. No, not for $27 though. Okay, let's keep it moving. The next thing I have here is a Bite Beauty Power Move Creamy Matte Liquid Crayon. That's what it says. Come on. There we go. And it says this is a high clean performance matte lipstick for a creamy bold color that can keep up with you. $28. Now I bought a Bite Beauty lipstick mini set a while ago, but they were so little I didn't think about them. Didn't think to use them. That's the packaging. I don't know what color this is. Midnight Ray. Ooh, that sounds like a pretty color. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that. Let me put some over here next to this eyeshadow. Ooh, that is pretty. I like that. Girl, hold on. Oh, I forgot I had these on. That's cute. Okay, that's cute. Now this one I won't forget because I like it. Okay, Bite Beauty. We got a sharpener on the end. That's neat. I like that color. I'm gonna put on too much. You don't see how dark it'll get. Oh, it gets pretty dark. You crushed the lip. Okay. Now this I like. Out of the whole box so far, this right here, and I'm just curious about this eyeshadow. Y'all see what it done dried to. That might be alright for a lid color with a bronzer color, dark brown, whatever you bronze with on your eyes, and then put this on the lid. That might be alright. And it dried real matte. Yeah, I'm gonna play with that to see how that come out. Put that over there in the good cup. And the last thing I have here, something. Oh, I remember seeing this somewhere. House of Laboratories. I remember when that's what I was going to say. I remember when that came out, when I saw House. This is, I don't know why I'm playing with y'all. I'm going to quit and put my glasses on. It says House of Laboratories Glam Room Palette, #1 in Fame. Unlock the fame in this new palette with 10 matte metallic shimmers and sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. It says it's universal shades give you power to play of every persona. They silky smooth blendable shades. Anyway, they from House Flourish. Anyway, House Laboratories, $34. That's what it says. Now I remember when they came out with, you know, that makeup line last year sometime, early last year, was at 19, and it was not that good. The reviews were not that good, so I didn't get anything. I think it was on Amazon only, if I remember right. Is it Lady Gaga? Am I remembering right, y'all? Collection or line? I didn't get anything, so I can't speak on it. Ooh, but these are nice. These are really pretty. Okay, y'all want to see too, huh? Okay. This is what they look like. Oh, I like those. Those are, I was expecting it to be pasty and pale and just wouldn't suit my skin. But those are pretty. Let's swatch. Ooh. And that was just a light swatch. That's pretty. Let's try this shimmery gold and a purple. Let's go with a matte. That's what they look like. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know now. They might have kicked it up. I might have dug in there too deep too. That's pretty. Those shadows might be good. And I like this. The packaging got that NARS feeling. Similar, almost similar to that NARS feeling. And those shadows look like they're going to be good. I ain't too mad. So, two things that I really like. I like the palette, and I like 3 things. Okay, that's not bad for premium. For $35, that I got my money's worth. I did. And the lotion, I forgot about the lotion. I'll put a little total down at the bottom for you guys that, you know, just want to know. Alright guys, I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.